Come enjoy this 55-plus resort-style community with all its amenities: golfing, tennis, billiards, pickleball, dancing, just to name a few activities that his wonderful community has to offer. There's 7 clubhouses, 5 pools, over 200 clubs, and much more. This beautiful home has a lot to offer. This lovely home begins with a solid wood glass door, remodeled open kitchen with custom cabinets with self-closing doors, sliding shelves and cabinets, upgraded stainless steel appliances, central heating and air, enclosed patio for an office, or a sitting room or more. Be creative. Smooth ceilings, washer, dryer, the skylights bring in the natural light throughout this home. This single-story home has easy access to parking, the creek is just steps away.